Abusia, mame no wase na memo akwa babiem emra GH report so na se de dae ye no e de videos ahodo a trend no ye de bi ebesom na chese team legal wife Tupac ho sensem da Lumba body mese de na da ho no na eye fake anase na enye fake yenim se on the 13th of March 2026 Lumba ye eba so e wo Germany na abusia e ho nsem secret upon secret revelation upon revelation that Lumba body no yesi akokopie mu e wo Germany urun se Akosua Serwaa team Akosua Serwaa ebusia Lumba ye ne yehu omo ho yehu no kra ebusia that Lumba body no se wa Akosua Serwaa ho Germany ebu nsem no ye ba ne ba betie na papa shi so akokodi enkomo e de fa ayiyo no ho ne nyina ye betie e wo show no so ye wi a ebusia another team e se boba ene Kennedy Japan ene ni baby mama Abusuapafo ebusia enye easy na yenim se Kennedy epe flag bearership e de ama osonama nyukuo no ama che se obontoa campaign ahodo bebre ebusia ene Abusuapafo ba beto bombo pa na ne nsem no ye betie Abusuapafo na ewiase ehu papa na ebusia ye de yenwura mo ye se mintimi hu se Lumba de ne ye hyase o se Kennedy de ne ye hyase wo de ye ni kai enwuram o Lumba esanse ono ena ne nam ehwa paso enti ye hyase enkotie Lumba body ayesese ewo Germany no na omotreke Abusuapanin Tupac no ebusua hwe na yentie wo this side
efunu no edampem of edampem 2026 of edampem Germany upon this Cologne St Mary Hospital ye dampem fresh obi ebi efunu abedi ho boni akote boni akofa efunu dia wa wo se efunu no fa proof be ni ade.
Yeah, man.
What was your for proof of that? Yes, what's the fun now? If you put a fun, and some got a fun, there you could buy around so. I don't do a yes.
Tupac or
Ameria net.
Obi and Ameria was to be yeah. Most of Bodani, Papa Abusuapanin Bodani, I don't know. Most of Abusuapanin for the frustrated man. I don't know.
Most of Kuna no Krawanya, who's Rose Bukunu.
No, could have flowers in the answer.
Kuna mu flower girl, kuna mu meet and greet.
I don't meet and greet. I know the HR will say, pay it uba respect paying. Yes,
of course.
That Lumba body na why
opportunity to you. What was so much me? Most say you fully ya. What was you say the answer? What was so much me? Yet some say the that passport. Then you can say a bumbo. Yen yen abrofo ye adwuma. Also o man kwakwa da don. Ye chamo se fi da fie, wa bodam. Wo ye adwuma hunu. Fi da fie, mesi wa bodam wo ye adwuma hunu. Mimisi funu no ewo ye ho.
Funu no.
Mimisi funu no ewo ye ho.
We move.
Ya chamo se mo jimu ye adwumifo. Ya chamo se ye ni munyansa, ye dia broche emra ahwemu. Ye dia broche mra ahwemu. Efunu
afuna wedi wo mo ho.
What is funu ni ye ho? Who say woman no dey?
Woman dey
papa. Who say power no day, papa? Power day, papa. If you offer them pum, I mean, I'm a 30th month.
Germany
show up.
Penny, I'm a had ye. Who but I'm say please it's true. I mean, can't make control. Mimi can't much as the paper. I was it's true. Choose I say. Who call you for be? Because I'm my who yeah. Yes. Germany for need ya bre. So almost more ya boa almost prove na chese mo sie papa no. Yes if ni we was at St Mary's Hospital. O say dey if ni away ho 13th March to 15th March. Mama sere e no kra na ka cha mo no if ni we ho 200% sure say if ni we ho. O say my mess away fi mu o. Yes, what na dey odi benkum na dey agie. Shit. Mo say dey bay if ni
Abusua aye confusion si enti utim se Abusuapanin Tupac omadada no netina na mi hu bi da Lumba woye chese legend ewiase nyina kana asem na Lumba wu adofo kwa kohwe nanim yenya Kwame despite yenya Mr NS Oforisapon yenya Siedu Nkatia honorable chese Ashanti regional minister Dr Frank Amakohene obu nyina kwa kopie mu chese na ne champo mu nyina kwa kopie mu na omo akasa twetwomucho omo ntimi ehu nanim ye kohwe ya se Lumba ye wo se chese menim se bro we ye di piaka ya ye Lumba say ma yo samai bro So em say Lumba de by now no why some twen said no abo no no because pensem mo ka wa ha no say Lumba funu no is in Germany. Eti Tupac o ma dada no a o mo hwe say 13th of March 2026 na eyi no proper one no ebetimi abaso. Abusua Tupac te Ghana ha gaga yo. Efunu no so ayira. Enu ntia Tupac abusua wo kaya Tupac beka say baby omo kosie no de omo kan kire obia. Baby omo kosie Lumba ne de omo kan kire obi bia na nim so a mo sa katai. Se ni nyina asem de akire body no de ne de aba befa ko. Abusua ye nto aso na wo de ye ntie papa shi so e wo this side.
This issue
papa shi,
about Akosua
de na wo de
MI no Ghana.
There be Mama Akosua Serwaa or Germany. Or Germany. So be any say basso as we all know no. Because the any ye penny the omo hwehwe say enka ombeye entoto ye papa can say ombeto to niam ye na abusuafo no more diaspora. So they say Lumba offer say bi London, e bi Germany, e bi baby bebre kwa ena ne nuanom e bi ho. So Akosua Serwaa no na abusuafo ne bi e wa America e bi wa ha. So they say ebusiano be break wa kontum Lumba money be o Canada they be cra passport wu patro so they say
But it say Lumba money nyere to me buy
patro nya ne manyina ena me so mo buy me boni din wa patro be break wa
okay
me sama nkwa yi ni bi so they say ha na minim request a omo ye senka ye mayi no nkwa ni mu se de be ya omo be ntotoye na omo aba patro so they say nti ha
eti se yesie Akosua Serwaa ne kunu na onni ha. How did she take it?
Oh, Bible say ade nyina mu yem fasida ema ewrade.
Papa she don't know.
All things we should give glory to the Most High God.
Papa she chire
Eti oni ha ne de yesie no as we all head and as the nkofo kika no.
Okay.
Hwe swati o. Abusua ti asem ni yo.
Bible say aboa oni dua. Onyankopon ne pra no. Nti wo so de na asem ama onyankopon twedi ampon. Because say you know ye invite no say ye 13th.
Obi a invite
me patcho bibia say ni wo.
Oh how?
Yeah, bibia say ni wo. Ye here say de tete no mfra mamu ano.
Eti Abusuapanin anhyeda mu Akosua Serwaa ma ne say on the 13th of December ukunu ya na ne bobra e wo Germany be piem wo Ghana. Ye kwa koye na yi
e pacho na Abusuapanin obo pa Akosua he baby Lumba free no Lumba nana baby Lumba ko pre akonwa no sisi ne nana no ubi se Abusuapanin se pa Akosua he okose na yi e ma pa Akosua ne ba yi ni bi wa bi se Abusuapanin se okose nsuta he na yi e ma nsuta he ne ba yi ni bi ana yewra se tu otegoko so na me bodi aka asem okose yewra yi e ma yewra ka se waje pene na obey anase wotuni pa manaba so there say Bible say wade nyina ankwai enye nyina na efata ye say nti anamo bi ani potuna zazi no we have to be very careful
yene
Abusua papa she ene ne nsem no na oka no and I think say say me papa she ya adwene because insuta hene je hu no Lumba so insuta no mo free bro ifunu no is in Germany. Can we take it as a fact? Can we consume it as a fact? Say Lumba body no is in Germany. And Tupac Akosua Serwaa amana na. Di entina a whole in suta hene Lumba yi no beka say oma. Bro, I know say a lot of questions and you betimi raise or honum. Na yenwa mu e Kennedy akomprako o hene Japan. Kennedy Japan ebusia. And ye uko PM dia one baby mama and they say the team baby mama and team politicians ebusia confusion so ya hwe video we
say ya kwa ba mu koye bi ebo aye ya na aka moye na me mamu example bi me ko study contest here to be MP in the year 2007.
Okay.
Atene wedi amanyo semunu mu a wo kuoyi mu abesi nne. My serving as member of parliament for 12 years.
And they name.
My deputy minister, my deputy majority leader. Medi minister for procurement. Medi minister for gender. Eti me bi samo say. Me somo ye.
Wasom.
Me somo ye. And honorable can Japan so aye na die me boa. Me nka say ono na ebefa. Na mom ye assume say wafa. Na wakotena Jubilee House. Na mimi CV eda ho. Ya ka CV ya ta wo kopa adwuma. Na mo nhwe adwuma amaye. Ene somo amasom oman yi. Ene mama ne ko. Na se dru ho. Na obetini ahwemanimu aka se oba menene wo mamienu. Ma appointing no as minister for BB. Ejabe Ghana. Yes. Who? Listen here. And the Kennedy Japan, me no menena wumi no. Oh yeah. It's my political career is at stake. My future is at stake. And my future is with Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud.
I think someone address for a very deep into the new patriotic party. No, this should be something I say now consider all factors and sana this flag bearership race. I mean the delegates. As we are extremely careful with how they go about their voting and so much we see a leader. No, a very deep, a very deep, and someone address for Canada. Chewadwene e comment section ha GH report.